The Showdown is back for event 2 of the docket. The classical Wooden Drag has returned for the second season of its return. Now, this season, it's a little bit different. It's going to be a classical distance drag, but it's going to be 2-1. And the winner of the 2 miles who can get out the furthest. So you have a coin there that's going to determine the distance of the first marble. And if another team goes past that, that means that marble and the other marble will make it, and the other 2 will not. So a demonstration will be by Lello, the reserve of Melanello, Snowy from Snowballs, Killerwin, the captain of our Rangers, and Sneaker, the captain of Sneakers. And what? At Snowballs! And since they went to furthest, they will win. See the marker there? That is the distance that the Snowballs went. So they will get the first win. Sneakers and Rangers will go to the front now. We're here. Let's see. Early on, they're making in. Can the Sneakers do it? Yes, they can! So that means Sneakers and the Snowballs will win. The Rangers, Millenello will not. See, you can get the gist of it. Now we have Soapy from Soapy Waters, Burnt from Bernie Flares, Jam, the captain of Golden Jams, and Cheese, the captain of Cheese Balls. Bernie Flares are in fun. Soapy Waters trying to challenge, but it's not going to be now. So there you be. A bit less than the Snowballs on their first one. You know, now the 2 letter marbles. Go to the front now. Any of them Golden Jams will. But also the Cheese Balls. So both of them will advance. Bernie Flares, they will be the highest out of the eliminated marbles. Now we've got Neon, Beach, and Turtle, and Frosty, who will lead and be the Beach Balls by a good distance actually. Same way where the Snowballs were. And what again? Who's this? And that's the Beach Balls again! So they are basically they are better than record, so they will be very sure. Only 3 marbles now. And Neon Pools will even get further. My man. Neon trying to advance for the crowd here. Mega Spice from Red Peppers. Zebra from Zebras. Lava from the Volcanoes, of course. And Horse from Seahorses. And Red Peppers will win the heat. Burn themselves. And Prime respect them. I think that's a word. To win it. Who's next? Seahorses, they fine will not get there. But she will advance. And I hear that unfortunately Volcanoes will get dead last this event. Not good, but now. Cheese, Spice, Neon, and Jen. And the Red Peppers again! At the same mark they were. trying to dominate here. You know how it works? Can you do it? No! It's Gem! The red peppers and golden gems to the final. Cheese balls and neon balls. Will not. Horse. Sneaker. Beach and Snowy. And Seahorse looks like will get the win. Now, switch lanes. Who bands here? And look, it's a wow, Snowy will band to the Seahorse. Now, Horse, Snowy, Spice, and Gem who bands. Snowballs will have the lead right now. But that lead is not safe. And here comes Gem again, but Snowy! With 1-1 to go, I think the Snowballs are going to get the gold here. And here comes Red Peppers trying to challenge here, not going to be enough. Golden Gems will run out of the bronze, but the Snowballs have won the gold in the wooden drag. Red Peppers will get silver, Golden Gems the bronze. And that is 3 teams from the last season on the podium, so can they make it back? Qualify for next season's Last Miles Standing Games? Who we'll find out next time. But up next we'll be back for the wooden drag for the main league, and then we're gonna go to block bumping. We'll see for that. Let's see who will win the season.